ഹായ് ഫ്രണ്ട്സ്, വെൽക്കം ടു ക്രിയേറ്റീവ് സ്റ്റഡീസ്. നമ്മൾ നോക്കാൻ പോകുന്നത് ഇംഗ്ലീഷിലെ ആക്ടിവിറ്റി കാർഡ് വർക്ക്ഷീറ്റ് 1 to 5 വരെയുള്ള ആൻസേഴ്സാണ്. അപ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് വീഡിയോയിലേക്ക് കിടക്കാം. വർക്ക്ഷീറ്റ് 1. Can you identify this picture? Yes, you are right. It is a palace of the Archduke of Battenberg. Tyle, the Flemish painter, is riding to the palace on his donkey. Now read the passage given below. Tyle, in the course of his wandering from court to court, rode to the palace of the Archduke of Battenberg on his donkey. His clothes and appearance attracted everyone's attention. His cap was set smartly on his head, and 3 bright feathers on it danced in the breeze as he rode. At the main entrance to the palace, the captain of the guards called out to him, "Hey there, you fellow on the donkey. We don't allow any loafers here. You and your donkey already look like skeletons." Answer the following questions. First question. Where was Tyle heading to as the story begins? Answer. He was heading to the palace of the Archduke of Battenberg. Second question. What attracted everyone's attention? Answer. Tyle's clothes and appearance attracted everyone's attention. Third question. Tyle was riding on his dash. Horse, donkey, camel. Answer. Donkey. Fourth question. Why didn't the captain give permission to Tyle to enter the palace? Answer. Because captain of the guards thought that Tyle was a loafer. The captain of the guards and Tyle are talking about Tyle's entry into the palace. Complete the conversation between them. Captain. Hey there, we don't allow any loafers here. Tyle. Sir Captain, God bless you. Captain. You are looking like a skeleton. Tyle. If I look like a skeleton, it is not my fault. Captain. Why have you come here? Tyle. I have come here to see the Archduke. Captain. Where are you from? Tyle. I come from Flanders. Captain. If you are from Flanders, you can go in. Tyle. Thank you, sir. As Tyle was a Flemish painter, the captain of the guards allowed him to meet the Archduke. The Archduke welcomed him. He gave him a grand feast. Tyle presented his painting to the Archduke. The Archduke was impressed, and Tyle was appointed as court painter. Tyle was thrilled. That night he was so excited that he could not sleep. He expressed his feelings in his diary. Prepare the possible diary entry. Points to remember while writing a diary entry. Day, date. Proper initiation with an expression. Recall the story and fix important events. Use the first person narrative. Express feelings and thoughts of the character. അപ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ ഈ ഡയറി എൻട്രി സ്വന്തം എഴുതുന്നതാണ്. അപ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ ഈ വീഡിയോയിൽ അത് കാണിക്കുന്നില്ല. വർക്ക്ഷീറ്റ് 3. Why did the Archduke appoint Tyle as a court painter? Yes, his appearance, talkative nature and painting attracted the Archduke. Now look at the word verb. Try to complete the word verb. Cunning, talkative, wanderer, enjoy palace life, look like skeleton, always wear cap, sense of humor, Flemish painter. With the help of the word verb, attempt the character sketch of Tyle. Answer. Tyle, in the course of wandering from court to court, he reached the palace of the Archduke of Battenberg. His clothes and appearance attracted everyone's attraction. His cap was set smartly in his head. He was looking like a skeleton. While he was entering the palace, the captain of the guard stopped and thought that he was a loafer because he was looking like a skeleton. But when the guard understood that he was a Flemish painter, the guard allowed Tyle to see the Archduke. Then the Archduke asked Tyle to draw the portrait, but Tyle didn't draw the portrait and really enjoyed leaving the palace. When the day came to show picture, Tyle fooled everyone easily and go from the palace of Battenberg. Worksheet 4. Tile was appointed as the court painter of the Archduke. The Archduke informed the courtiers and the public about his appointment through an announcement. Let's go through the announcement. Attention, attention, attention. Ladies and gentlemen, here is an important announcement of His Highness the Archduke of Battenberg. Since the death of the royal court painter, the seat painter remains vacant. We were so much worried on seeing the vacant seat. We were in search of a blessed artist. Now we are lucky to get a new court painter. We proudly introduced Mr. Tile Allenspiegel, who is famous Flemish painter. We hereby officially announce the appointment of Mr. Tile Allenspiegel as a court painter of Battenberg. His Highness the Archduke Battenberg, 15 to 1873. Tile was asked to paint the portrait of the Archduke and his courtiers. Tile and his friends enjoyed for 60 days in the palace. On the 60th morning, Tile claimed that he had completed the painting. It was ready to be displayed before the courtiers. An announcement was made to invite all the courtiers. Prepare the likely announcement. ഇത് നമ്മൾ നേരത്തെ വായിച്ച പോലത്തെ തന്നെ ഒരു അനൗൺസ്മെൻ്റ് എഴുതാനാണ്. ഇതിലെന്താ അനൗൺസ്മെൻ്റ് എഴുതേണ്ടതെന്ന് വെച്ചാൽ ടൈല് പിക്ചറൊക്കെ വരച്ച് കഴിഞ്ഞു. അപ്പം ആ ടൈല് പിക്ചർ വരച്ച് കഴിഞ്ഞു എന്നുള്ള കാര്യം ആർച്ച് ഡ്യൂക്ക് കോർട്ടിയേഴ്സിനോട് അറിയിക്കുന്നതോടനുബന്ധിച്ചാണ് ഈ അനൗൺസ്മെൻറ്റ് നമ്മൾ എഴുതേണ്ടത്. ഇനി നമുക്ക് വർക്ക്ഷീറ്റ് 5 ഒന്ന് നോക്കാം. വർക്ക്ഷീറ്റ് 5. Look at the picture. Tile was confused. How can I make the portrait? If he obeys the Archduke and paints the courtiers as they are, the courtiers will kill him. If he obeys the courtiers and make them beautiful in the portrait, the Archduke will kill him. Tile escaped from the palace, making fool of the Archduke and the courtiers. He told that only noble-blooded men would be able to see the painting. The courtiers outdid each other in showing their admiration for the picture. He had a wonderful time in the palace, making merry with the fellow men for 60 days. He received his reward in the beginning itself. He writes a letter to his friend explaining the incidents in the place. Prepare the likely letter. Points to remember while writing a friendly letter. Place and date. Salutation. Personal greetings and queries. Recall the main events. Leave-taking phrase. Name and signature. ടൈല് പാലസ് ഓഫ് ബാറ്റൻബർഗിൽ വന്നപ്പോൾ തൊട്ട് എല്ലാവരെയും ഫൂളാക്കി പോകുന്നത് വരെ ഉള്ള ഇൻസിഡൻസ് എന്തൊക്കെയാണ് അത് ഒരു ലെറ്ററാക്കി ടൈല് ഫ്രണ്ടിന് അയച്ചു കൊടുക്കുകയാണ്. അപ്പം ആ അയച്ചു കൊടുക്കുമ്പോൾ എന്തൊക്കെയാണ് സംഭവിച്ചത് അതൊക്കെ നമ്മൾ ഈ ലെറ്ററിൽ എഴുതണം. നമുക്ക് കുറച്ച് പോയിൻറ്റ്സ് തന്നിട്ടുണ്ട്. ലെറ്റർ എഴുതുന്നതിന് മുമ്പ് നമുക്ക് കുറച്ച് പോയിൻറ്റ്സ് തന്നിട്ടുണ്ടായിരുന്നു. അതനുസരിച്ച് വേണം നമ്മൾ ഈ ലെറ്റർ എഴുതാൻ. അപ്പം ഈ വർക്ക്ഷീറ്റ് ഇത്രയേ ഉള്ളൂ. നിങ്ങൾക്ക് എൻ്റെ ഈ വീഡിയോ ഇഷ്ടമായെന്ന് വിചാരിക്കുന്നു. നിങ്ങൾക്ക് എൻ്റെ ഈ വീഡിയോ ഇഷ്ടമാവുകയാണെങ്കിൽ ഈ വീഡിയോ ലൈക്കും ഷെയറും കമൻറ്റും ചെയ്യുക. മാത്രമല്ല എൻ്റെ ചാനൽ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബും കൂടി ചെയ്യുക. അപ്പോൾ അടുത്ത വീഡിയോ വരുന്നവരെ ബൈ.